Hello everyone. Today I will be making chicken adobo my way. We start out with chicken. I took leg quarters and I cut them up. It's about 2/3 of a kilo. Okay. And then I have potato cut into smaller pieces. As you know, I like smaller pieces. Ginger, onion chopped. I actually had one large one, so I just chopped it up. Salt. I got garlic. I'm going to use powder because I want to use this packet up because I opened it up. I have a little bit of magic syrup to put in if I need it. Pepper, ground pepper, soy sauce, and vinegar. This here is the spiced vinegar. So I'm going to use just a little bit of it and that will tenderize this a little bit and also give it that spicy kick. And obviously oil. Now, as you know, a lot of people here in the Philippines love to use ginger. They usually use big pieces of ginger. I cut it up. The last thing I want when I grab a bite is a big old chunk of ginger in my mouth. So I'll get the pan nice and hot, and then I will start adding the onions. I got the onions in there cooking, and now I'm going to cook those down for a little bit and then add the chicken. I will be putting it all in this pan here, which will cook down because I'll be putting in more water, obviously. So I got the chicken in there cooking. I'm going to put a brown on it. Basically just brown it a little bit, really nice. And then I'll be putting it in here where I can cook it down. As you can see, I'm putting a nice little brown on everything. And I already got this water. I put a couple cups of water in there. And I have it going. Burning there. I have the ginger. Okay, so I've just poured all the brown chicken right into the pan there. It's already fused. The ginger's already fused in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic, vinegar, the spice vinegar. Draw out the flavor. I'll be putting potatoes in later on once it's cooked down a little bit. Okay, so I've put the garlic, put the black pepper in it. I put a little bit of the spiced vinegar, and I've also added the soy sauce, and that will also be tested later on. It will be tasted for flavor. And we'll go from there before we add any of the extra like magic syrup or salt. Okay, so I added a little bit of salt because I checked it, a little bit more soy sauce, and a touch of magic syrup. Now I'm going to cook that down. I'll be turning it down here so it will cook slowly, and I will be soon adding the potatoes. So while that is simmering there for another 20 minutes, I'm going to make rice. So we'll have rice with it. Okay, so for those of you that wonder if I know how to make rice, yes, I do. But I don't like making small amounts on top of the stove because I haven't got that quite down to an art. So what I do is cheat the system a little bit. I come right over here and I put it in this, a rice cooker. So I have that down perfect. That if I was making a larger amount, three cups, 2.5, 3 cups, yeah, watching on the stove, it probably would work. But a cup or less, and I usually make around a cup for Edelyn and I, a cup or less would end up burning on the stove. I just don't want to deal with it. It's easier to just put it in there, forget it. Perfect rice.